Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to make bold text on Character AI. So follow the steps to the end to succeed in doing this. So currently we're in a chat on Character.ai and we can simply say hello. And you can see right here the hello is basically not in bold. In order to make our text bold, we need to encapsulate it with asterisks. We're going to be using 2 asterisks and then say hello again. And remember, we're trying to encapsulate it, so we're going to end it with 2 asterisks. And then we're going to click on send, and you can see the difference that this is now in bold and the other wasn't. This can also work with phrases or sentences. So we can do this. Even when we're typing a sentence, as long as you're encapsulating it with 2 asterisks at the beginning and at the end, your text will be bold. So this is how to make bold text on Character AI.